In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ethereum on UniSwap. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to move through the process with confidence. Quick reminder before we start, only use the official site, make sure the web address is correct, and understand that crypto purchases can involve provider fees, network fees, and price fluctuations. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Uniswap's official app. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Uniswap interface and a secure connection in your address bar. This is the hub where you can access all the app's features without needing to dig around or install anything extra. Once you're in the app, look for the trade area. This is where Uniswap groups the actions that involve swapping and buying. Clicking Trade brings up the tools you'll use to purchase Ethereum. You'll notice a clean layout designed to guide you to the most common actions so you don't have to hunt for buttons or menus. From there, select Buy. This opens Uniswap's buy flow, which is designed to let you purchase crypto using traditional payment methods through integrated providers. On this screen, you'll typically see a panel that shows the currency you're spending and an estimate of what you'll receive. It's normal for the interface to show provider options and quotes, since the final price can vary based on fees and market conditions. Now enter the amount you want to spend. You can usually type in your local currency and the app will automatically calculate an estimated amount of Ethereum you'll receive. Watch the quote update in real time as you adjust the number. If you see details like fees, processing times, or limits, take a moment to review them so you know what to expect before moving forward. Next, choose the token you want to buy. This opens the token selector, which lists supported assets. You're focusing on Ethereum, so use the search bar or scroll to locate it. Selecting the correct asset is important, especially if you're new, because many tokens can have similar names or icons. Select Ethereum as your token. You should now see the amount you're spending on one side and Ethereum on the other. Confirm the details look right, including the network shown and the quoted amount. Finally, click Continue. This takes you to the confirmation stage where you can review the purchase summary from the provider before proceeding. If everything looks good, follow the on-screen flow to finish. That's it, simple, clear, and fast.